make love for you. I'll slip in like a Haitian, like a Haitian, like a Haitian. Yeah, I'll make a
Good morning guys. Today is October 24, currently 10:53 a.m. My class is at 11 pero nagstay muna ako dito sa classroom kasi di pa ako tapos mag-ayos. Super nagmadali ako kaninang umaga. Kasi I was studying the whole night. So ayun, medyo late ako nagising. And nag-breakfast pa ako sa house. So ayun. But meron pa naman akong 5 minutes. Yung bag ko rin, hindi ko na naayos. Ito yung bag ko yesterday. So later I will have my accounting quiz. And if you guys watched my previous vlog, sabi ko dun na gusto ko bumawi this time. Kasi last quiz, hindi ako masyado naging confident sa mga answers ko. So, make sure ko na babawi ako this time. My new hair. To be honest, hindi ko alam kung anong tawag sa gantong hair. Ginger ba to? I'll show you guys my outfit kasi meron pa akong 4 minutes. Actually, merong time. So, I have almost 3 minutes before my class. I'll show you guys my outfit first. Quick fit check. I have this white top from Uniqlo, this pants from, I'm not sure, sweater from Charlotte Folk, and then sandbags. Okay, so it's 11 a.m. na. Puna na ako sa class ko kasi actually mag-stairs pa ako ng long floors. Yeah, kasi super puno ng mga elevators dito sa Andrew. Off the lights. Okay.
We are China.
Industry went and took a nosedive, especially with Evergrande defaulting on bankruptcy. Not only that,
if I can fight it tall. 너 위한 곡을 수천개는 더 아마도 해보면 네가 내가 사과되면 then I'll make a
Nag-trip 250 sa akin. Ganun. Okay, so it's currently 4:44 p.m. and I actually just finished my online class. Decided to stay here sa South Bank Cafe. I think that's the name. Here in Alabang. I'm just gonna finish some of my tasks here. I have mga accounting assignments na due na tomorrow also. So, kailangan ko na siya tapusin. So, we decided to stay here kasi change of scenery lang. And I also don't wanna stay na sa room kasi parang ilang araw na rin ako nandun. And it's really not good for my mental health na magstay doon. Anyway, speaking of mental health, guys, I haven't actually tried therapy, pero I'm planning to do so kasi I know it's always best to seek to a professional. And I'd like to thank BetterHelp for sponsoring this portion of the video. So I know finding the right therapist can be challenging, and personally, that's what I'm concerned about because I have very specific preferences in mind. And I'm grateful that BetterHelp BetterHelp is here because it can help you match with over 30,000 professional therapists. What's great is that you get to fill out a questionnaire that specifically assesses your needs, and then you'll get matched with a therapist. And don't worry guys, because if you feel like your first therapist doesn't feel like the right fit for you or the right match for you, you can easily switch to a new one at no additional cost. So you guys can click the link in the description box if you want to try it out. And you can also schedule your therapy sessions online at any time that's convenient for you. So you can go to betterhelp.com/nicolekhrystinetorres and you'll get 10% off your first month. Thank you again, BetterHelp, for sponsoring this portion of the video. Dito, two, yeah, fan favorite siya. Yan. Ay, dami matcha. Ang galing.
Gabang ka pa rin ng hair mo ngayon,
Oo nga, mas umangat na siya. I'm a blondie now. This is my second look as Evelyn Hugo. I'm wearing this dress. Same lang sila ng hair ni Marilyn. That's why ito na din yung hair ko. But the dress, it's emerald green and with the fur. Yeah, very I'm done. Oh yeah, so we're done. I mean, I'm done with my layouts. We're just gonna take TikToks here. So it's currently 12:34 p.m. and I just ordered some matcha. Kasi guys, inaantok ako, wala akong tulog. So we're just gonna buy here. This is the moment. Okay, so update, it's 8:51 p.m. and we're here in Singapore. We're staying here for 7 days, I think. And I'm here with my family, of course. And nandito rin yung friends namin, si Josh and si Jo. So, I'm so excited. Gagawa ko ng separate vlog for the whole trip. So, ito parang intro lang. Since gabi din kami dumating. I'm so happy kasi this is gonna be my break. Parang midterm break. Something like that. I hope you guys stay tuned for my Singapore vlog. Wait, parang magdi-dinner ata kami. So, we're going out now kasi magdi-dinner lang kami around the area. So, let's go!
Casey, try mo yun, no? Try mo.
어젯밤과 함께 떠나갔던 안개는 나를 전혀 바라보지 않잖아. 우리 둘 사이 관계는 깊지 않아 보이는 거 알잖아.